What's up, everybody, and welcome to the first episode of modding Minecraft with Forge. Forge is, I was currently doing a mod loader series, but Forge, I guess, is better with handling mods and stuff. And I just recently learned how to mod with Forge. It's quite a bit different, but you get the hang of it after a little while. So let's get started. You only need a couple things. You go to files.minecraft.forge or minecraftforge.net. I'll put a link to it in the description, and eclipse.org. If you already have eclipse.org, you can skip this step. But you're gonna go to eclipse.org and click this button right here. Get started now. Download Eclipse. This one right here, you're going to click the one corresponding to your system. I have a 64-bit, so I'm going to be downloading that. And you should just click that link there, and there you go. You should have it. Should be already downloading. Now you're going to go over to files.minecraftforge.net, and I keep wanting to say minecraft.forge, but and you're going to get to the latest version here. This is the latest version right now, build 7.8.0.668, and you're gonna usually when you go to install it on Minecraft, you go to Universal, but you're gonna want to go to Source and just click on that. Wait the 5 seconds, or yeah, just wait the 5 seconds, and click on Skip Ad, and then it should start downloading. And once that is finished downloading, I will be right back and teach you guys how to go on from there. Alright, so once they're finished downloading, you're going to want to bring them both to your desktop, as I have them here. And in this one, you want to just right click on it and do extract here, and it'll extract a folder to your desktop called Eclipse. Now this might take a little while because Eclipse is a pretty large file, and I might have to pause the video here, or I'll speed it up so you guys can still see that it's actually working. Alright, now that we have the Eclipse folder on our desktop, we're gonna extract out Minecraft Forge here also, and this one shouldn't take too long, but I'll speed this one up also. Alright, well, now that we have both of them extracted to our desktop, we're gonna go open up the Forge folder, and you see this little install button right here. You just double click that, and this should come up, Forge Mod Loader Setup Start, and this will go through the process for you. You don't need to download MCP or anything like that because it already comes in it, and I'm just gonna speed it up so you guys can see the process. Alright, now that the Minecraft Forge setup is finished, you should see this screen right here. Just wait until it says press any key to continue, because it does say done, but that's just saying for downloading and stuff. Alright, so now what you want to do is you want to open up your Eclipse folder and launch Eclipse. Now the first time you launch it, oops, I just hit my microphone, it's going to ask you to create to use a workspace, and it might take a little bit to, yeah, there we go, right there. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit browse, go to desktop, and go to Forge, MCP, jars, or not jars, Eclipse, and just click OK. And check use this as default and do not ask again. Click OK, and now it should set up the workspace, and then we can get started with modding. This might take a little bit. I don't know why. I think it's just loading all the classes, but I should be finished pretty soon. And here we go. Alright, so yeah, put in the comments what you guys want me to go over. I'm just gonna be going over the basic stuff first. You're gonna be quick, probably 10-minute episodes. But alright, so yeah, now that this is up, you're gonna go to Minecraft Source, And here is all the Minecraft files. Now what we're going to do is we're going to right click on source, and you should see this message, this little menu pop up, and click go to new package and name this I'll name this tutorial. Finish. You can name it whatever you want. And it should, I don't know why it's building the workspace, but just wait until this finishes. And then and there we go. Okay, so we're gonna go down here to tutorial and right click on it and go new class. And this right here we're gonna do let's create the client proxy first. Client proxy. Now this isn't required, but it is required for certain things, and if you plan on like including pretty much everything in here, then you're gonna want to put this in. But so yeah, just create that and then right click on it again, go to new class and make common proxy. Now the capitals do matter, just to point that out. Let me just grab my, oh boy, okay, common proxy right there. Alright, so and then in here what we're gonna do in the common proxy is press enter a few times and go public void register renders, open bracket, close bracket, or open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and that basically it's just the register rendering function. We might not use that, but it doesn't matter. And then in client proxy, what we're going to do is we're going to put here extends common proxy, and you're going to get an error here. Nope, okay, never mind. You don't have to import it. And here, what we're going to do is we're going to do at override. We might have to insert your num body. Okay, so we're gonna get an error there, but what we're gonna do in here is, let me just minimize out of here, and we're gonna do public void register renders. Oops. And that just takes care of that. That's just the base that we're going to be doing. It's nothing necessary at the moment. However, we're going to need this maybe later on. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create our main base file, and I'm going to call this tutorial main. You guys can call this whatever you want. Probably the name of your mod would be ideal, and then just add like main to the end of it or something. And up here, what we're going to do is we're going to import net.minecraft.block, and then we're going to import net.minecraft. Let's see, where is it down here? It should be item item, and those are just going to be the two main ones that we're going to be using. And here what we're going to do is just up here, before you go to the public class, we're going to do at mod okay, at mod, and then put mod ID, and here do space equals space, and you're gonna put in here your name or your body name, whatever you want. I'm just gonna put flame, or I'll just do flame G, and then oops, okay, then after that we're gonna do name space equals space, and then this is what you're gonna call your mod. I'm gonna call mine tut mod. I'm gonna put all the source code in the description so you guys can download that and copy and paste, and then we're gonna do version space equals space. If your guys' version is very early, I'm doing version 0.0.1 since it's like very early. Oops, you don't need that. And then we're gonna do slash at network mod client side. Oops, you got to capitalize side required. Do space equals space true. And then do server side required space equals space false. So basically what that's saying is in order to play it on the client, the mod has to be installed. In order to play it on a server, if you change that to true, server side required to true, you're gonna wind up not being able to join a server that doesn't have it installed. It just will disable it. If you put it to false, it'll just disable the mod when you join the server. So it's rather okay. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna get errors here, and what you're gonna do is hover over mod, and you're gonna see this here, import mod. Just click on that, and it should pop this thing up here. And you're going to do the same with network mod, and you should see these two pop up. I'm just going to space that out for aesthetics. And let's see, what else? What is that? What else is there? Oh yeah, duh. And then in here, we're going to do at pre-init, and then do public void pre-init, open parenthesis, do fml pre initialization event, and then open bracket, close bracket. Now you're going to have to import pre-init, and also import fml pre-initialization event. And there you should go. You got that. Then we're going to do at init, public void load fml initialization event, open bracket, close bracket. Now we're going to have to import those again, or those two. And then lastly, we're going to need at post init and public void post init fml. And if you don't know what FML stands for, it stands for Forge Mod Loader. Just to clear that up, initialization event, and there you go. You got your base all set up, and that should be good all for setting up. And you're going to want to first of all, you want to go back to this tutorial main, and I'm just going to save all really quick. And over up here, what we're going to do is we're going to do at sided proxy, do client side space equals space, let's see, do tutorial dot, where is it, client proxy, yep, client proxy. That's just basically loading the client proxy there. Then do server side space equals space tutorial dot client proxy, and there you go. So now you don't need to, nope, you don't need to bracket that off. Now you're gonna do here public static common proxy, and You might need to import, you need to import cited proxy. And you should be all set to create your own mod. This is all the base here. I'll put this in the description. And in the next episode, we will be going over how to make your first item. Item or block, you guys. I'll make an item, and we will go over that in the next episode. So thank you guys for watching, and you can use this. You don't need to put a link to my tutorial or anything if you make a mod, because I know a lot of people ask for that, but that's just dumb because you coded the mod yourself. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later.